like now my sister. So my number one. I hope one day that they will all like feel part of everybody's family, even all the abroad people, and that they will be able to meet as many people as they can because there's so much support for them. And thank you so much for also like letting me enter your family as well. I feel so loved by all of you all. Mahal na mahal. Kayo. Thank you.
Official Headmaster team, pakitawag ang nanalo. Yeah. Fernando.
Andun sa labas.
Yes, isa labas. Para mas maraming share. Okay. The leader can come up. Mayward winning. Okay, Mayward winning! Wala pa kayo palakpakan siya?
Ayaw pa si David.
First thing I thought, I saw the red carpet, I thought, am I getting married? I never expected to be doing this tonight. We came back from Jensen this morning. And I never expected this, so I want to thank you, like Mama said, to everyone who supported us, all the different the groups, the My Word groups, and all the other groups who are here and not here today. I want to say thank you and I love you to all of you guys. As in, you made not just my dreams, but my dreams as well come true. So you did something very big for all